Good morning everyone. I am Nikita of class 12A and today me along with my friends Pragati, Sakshi and Tamanna are going to show you different experiments regarding the factors affecting rate of reaction. Actually, there are many factors which affect the rate of reaction like temperature, nature of reactants, surface area, concentration of reactants, effect of catalyst, presence of light, etc. But in this video, we are going to show you how temperature, surface area, effect of catalyst and concentration of reactants affect rate of reaction. I have taken 2 glasses of water which are now empty. I am going to fill it with equal quantity of vinegar. These 2 glasses are filled with equal quantity of vinegar as you can see. Here I have taken half teaspoon of baking soda which I am going to pour in the glass. Now I have taken 1 teaspoon of baking soda which I am going to pour in glass second. I hope you understood the difference between the previous reaction. The reaction which had less concentration of reactant, that is less amount of baking soda, had low rate of reaction and took more time to complete, whereas the reaction which had more concentration of baking soda had more rate, and this shows that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of reactants.
For experiment of surface area, we need 2 glasses filled with water, vitamin C tablet, one as whole and the other in the crushed form. Now let's start the experiment. Take 1 tablet and the crushed form and put them into their respective. Now let's put these 2 into the glasses and we observe the rate of reaction. Now, as you can see, the crushed form dissolve easily in the water and the whole form take very long time to dissolve into the water. This states that surface area have a great effect on the rate of reaction.
For catalyst, we have a bottle of vinegar balloon and another one is bottle of vinegar balloon that has baking soda inside it. At the bottle one, let us assume there is no catalyst present in it, and in another bottle, baking soda is the catalyst. Let us see now what will happen. You can see with the catalyst it is disintegrated faster, means oxygen is being released faster here. Therefore, with the presence of catalyst, it speeds up a chemical reaction faster.
Hello everyone, in this video I will perform an experiment which will tell you how can temperature affect the rate of reaction. So for this reaction we will need 2 clear glasses and some tablets of vitamin C. I will fill 1 glass with cold water and the other one with hot water. I have filled this glass with cold water and this with hot water. Now I will add some tablets of vitamin C in each of them. So after waiting for a few minutes, we can see that the reaction has taken place more faster in the glass with hot water than in cold water. So this takes us to the conclusion that the higher the temperature, the higher the rate of reaction will be. Thank you very much.